Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to conclude if a student has passed or failed an exam or passed a test in Google Sheets. So here I've already have a sample data with names, student names, and also their score. And in here, I'm going to conclude if they are passed or failed the exam. So here the minimum score is 50. So if a student score 50 or equal to 50, they failed the test. But if their score is 51 and up, there has passed the test. Minimum score is 50 and to minim sorry to know the to conclude it, you can just use the if formula here. I've already written write the formula in here, and I'm going to write it again. So equal sign and using if parentheses and block the range that you want to conclude its score, and uh, greater than 50 pass. So this is the criteria, and fail, and then click on enter. As you can see now, the Google Sheet will suggest it autofill. You can just click on a check icon, and you see the minimum score is 50, and the student who has the score below it is failed, like Andy and also Sandy and Noah and Alaya. So I think that's all. That is how you can conclude if a student has passed or failed exam or test in Google Sheets. It's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.